Hey friends, Legion here, back with part 10 of the Republic Gunship. Last week, we finished all this up here, or last couple videos, I should say, rather. Finished all the top up here for the pilots. They got the top up here. And this video, we'll be focusing, should be a short one, we'll be focusing on the turret right in here. So I'll just go ahead and swing him around. Slide him right there. We'll do, we'll just keep them like that for now. We'll go ahead and open our bag here as well. Number 10, pretty small bag for such a small part. As you can see, not very many pieces in this one. Open up our little guy. Ooh, a couple didgeridoos in here. Take a little drink to get our energy up. And let's jump right into it. Part number 10. Over halfway through now. We're coming along quite nicely. And I got the wrong piece. We're on step 441. I need 2 more of these. Right now we're making the door for the back turret. Or foundation rather, so that we can attach our turret. Make sure I don't push that off. I'll just keep them down. This thing's getting so big, it's like, you know what, I'll just keep them here until we're ready to attach. That way you can see. Get those 2. Eventually I want to move the camera back, because this thing's gonna start getting massive once we attach the wings. We need to put the little guys on here. We need 2 of each. And they will go, one will go here, there, and this one opposite. we're watching the Rebel series on Disney Plus, and you know, I kind of want to. I know they might be a little expensive, but I kind of want to get some sets from the show, from, you know, around that era. You know, I'll get some Clone Wars. This will go underneath. You know, this is from the Clone Wars. Get some Rebel sets. I think it'd be cool. I think it'd be a good addition to the collection. So this is what we got so far. You know, we're moving on to step 450, which we'll go ahead and, oh, first things first, I missed a step. I was supposed to put these on as well, and I did not. So now I gotta take care of, flip him over. These will butt up right next to the red and white pieces. Red and white piece to the front. And then we'll go ahead and put, to snap those in like that. Just to keep them locked in place. Now we'll get for the next step ready. And these will be the same, just a little different. The gray piece will be going the opposite way. You want the gray pieces to face outward. And you'll put them lined up with your tan, just like that. Color scheme is looking nice too. I like the red, the darker red, with the white and the lime, like neon green, mixed with a little bit of yellow. I like it. I gotta be honest, I think this is my favorite, probably ship, vehicle, whichever from any of the Star Wars. Next would have to probably be the X-Wing fighter. And then maybe the ATTE. Those would probably be my top 3. Definitely this being top 1. You know, they're all cool. They're all, you know, I like them all, but those are definitely my top 3. Look, I even got my red sweatshirt on here to match. Sit him down, get our pieces out. 2, and then 1 of you. We'll put our small guy on the outsides. There we go. Doesn't want to turn. Try to line them up. And we'll put like one of the seats, I'll call them, a smooth piece, and then another. So it looks like this. This stuff's going pretty fast, which I knew it would, judging on the bag. That's okay, you know, we got to get some back support. So when the seppies are coming at us from behind, we'll be able to at least defend a little bit. You know, it is a gunship after all, am I right? Okay. Put the big guy next to the one, and then put a little one. We're just gonna do the same. We're gonna go back to back. And then we'll put these just like here. So annoying upstairs, they're so loud. Now we gotta put all of our angles here. We need 10. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll put the angled facing the back white piece. Come on, little guy. So it looks all like that with the angled side facing this white piece. And then we'll finish off capping with some smooth pieces here. Let's go ahead and get them out. And do pretty much the exact same as we did up here, just on the back. We'll put our little corner pieces on. Get that little debris out. Followed by these, I call them little seats. And then cap it off with the double stud smooth. So it's pretty much symmetrical with the angled facing towards the white. Now we can flip them over and make 2 of these, which these pieces will attach. I can't see. We'll attach to these blue right here. So we want it to go this way and this way, and those will get attached like that, and then same for this side, like that. And now we can flip both them over, and we'll put they'll snap together this way. Both sides are in. Now we can move it how we need to to fit back here, which we go with the winged part. This will go down, and this will attach to, let's see if I can rotate him around. If you can see them down there, these little gray pieces are going to attach to the white down here. So I'll go ahead and set him down so I can do that. A little more difficult than I thought it would be. I don't know why it's so difficult, because I can't see. There's one. Are they both in? I think they're both in. Okay. Now I'll bring them over here. It's getting so big. And I can fold them in and then attach the dark gray to the blue. Just like that. And now we got this all capped off. there's kind of the top, and then can't really see it, but I'll turn them to the side like that. Now that we got that capped off, now we can go ahead and do the turret portion, which, if you can't see, will go right in this cubby right there. I'll set him down, go ahead and turn the page here. First, we'll cap off right here to make it look appealing. We'll take our big, or our longer smooth, put him down, and then we'll finish it off just like that. And now we can go ahead and put our turret, put him together. So we'll start with the base, go ahead and push him in, put the other, I kind of struggled last time getting this in. There we go. Now we'll set him down. Now we use our didgeridoos. Save the best for last. And then make 3 of these. Go ahead and do that. We'll start with putting 1 and then just stack them on top. Put our blue didgeridoo in, cap it off with the end of the turret. Why do I feel like okay? Well, I don't want to put him just on yet because I got 2 pieces here that apparently I missed, because these should be the only 2 we should have left over. I'll set them off to the side, and now I'm going to go back here. Okay, I see. Now, let me just pop these off real quick. Mistakes were made, but we're gonna catch it before we get to the next part. You know, we get too far. So I need to unhook, which those came apart. So I'll just pull them off myself. And attach them like they belong. I don't know how. I was supposed to put them on before I connected these 2. That's where I messed up, because these go here and this goes here, and you can't see. That's my bad. Just like that, now that it's in working order and all pieces are on that should be, we can go ahead and push back on, put our pieces on, and now go ahead and attach our back turret like so. I'll flip them over so you can see, you know, back turret's on. Everything looks good. This back end is capped off now. And that brings us to the end of part 10. You know, just a short part. Just cap this back off, make it look good, make it finished. Now can't guarantee, but I'm pretty sure the back end's finished now. And we can move on to the wings. We can move on to, you know, just everything right in here, and we'll finish out the Republic gunship. But for now, part 10 is now done. So make sure you hit that like button if you like what you saw, you want to see more. And, you know, subscribe if you want, leave a comment if you want. Otherwise, stay tuned for part 11 through 17 coming your way soon. And I'll see you then. Peace.